This is Paul. Yes. Criminal acts committed by the insured party. Yes. Are not covered under the typical liability insurance policy. Oh. However, you can obtain coverage for the intentional torts. Ouch. See section 39 to 49. Section 39 to 49. Now, let's say in a tort liability case, yes, where you intentionally fabricate evidence against an innocent American citizen, yes, so as to discredit their reputation because of your fraudulent use of mental health evaluations, yes, so that they, are unable to present a case in court that they are mentally stable, yes, as any prudent person would think. Ouch! Now, I'm wanting to use the courts and I want a large amount of money. Yeah. And I'm wanting to sue every police officer that has the documentation. Yes. That I wasn't in Squim. Right. That I wasn't in Brennan. Yes. And you fraudulently used what is known as mental health evaluations to conceal your own crimes. And then while suing you for the tort damages, pooch! I'm going to want to discredit you as having any actual authority of law. Yes. In fact, the closer I can get it to you being the criminal instead of me, the more money I'm going to make as the plaintiff. Now, as I said, I'm not an attorney. Right. But I'm sure about this. When the jury hears who you are in your actual lives, it will increase the amount of damages I get as the victim of your crimes. Now, you thought you didn't have to enforce the laws. Right. You could harass me, victimize me, you could torment and torture me. Right. You could fabricate evidence against me and you could lie about who I was. Right now. You could employ the state of Washington to conceal your felonies. Yeah. But there will be a day when, right now, the jury is just going to weep over this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why don't you go ahead and enforce the laws today? Why don't you go ahead and give me my sons? Now, marriage records. Where are the records from my marriage to Heidi? Yeah. Or where are they located at? A small town in southwest Washington? Yeah. Where exactly are the divorce records that I didn't get served? Yeah. Are they with the Secretary of State when you gave the divorce certification? Yeah. Exactly where are the birth records of my 5 sons? Yeah. Are they at Olympic Medical Center? Why don't you get me the actual birthing records of Zachary, Bishop, and Deacon? Yeah. The physicians that attended the births. Oh, the individuals that delivered them. Yes. University of Washington. Yeah. And then there is Southwest Medical Center in Vancouver, Washington. Oh, I remember when Heidi gave birth to my son, Maximilian. Yep. I'm going to need the actual birthing records of all 5 of my biological sons. And then there are the records on Guam. Yeah. Not just the birth certificate. No. The actual document. Now, you deprived me of my sons, yes, because of fabricated false evidence against me. Yeah. Because of an arrest that took place on Guam. Right. Where my wife lied about family violence, child abuse, and assault. Yeah. I inform you of the lies. Yeah. And for this whole time, you're fused right now. Now, let's call Olympic Medical Center, okay? And you get me every document signed by me as their father and Heidi as their mother for Zachary. Yes. Bishop and Deacon. Because I'm going to sue that hospital. Ouch. I'm going to sue their physicians. Ouch. I'm going to sue this county. Ouch. I'm going to sue. Do you understand? Now, where are the marriage records at the United Nations? Could you get me all their records? Every marriage that the United Nations performed. Yes. As a non-governmental organization. See, there were 492 in the year 2000. Yeah, that's when we were there. Oh, and then get me all the divorce certificates. Yeah, and all the actual dissolutions of marriage. For some reason,